We are now going to look at a conceptual example of an aggregate function. So what can we do with ag functions? Let's take a look at an example that uses the class table. Suppose you have a class table with the following fields: subject, catalog, section, term, and enrollment total, representing the student enrollment for each individual class section. You want to determine total students enrolled in each course. But how do you define course? Well, for the sake of this example, let's say course is equal to a subject and catalog number. Without any aggregate functions, your query would return the same number of rows as there are in the class table. For instance, if BME 789 in summer term 1 has 15 section offerings, you don't see them all here, you'll see 15 rows of data, and under the enrollment total column, you will see the enrollment per individual section. However, by applying an aggregate function, such as sum, to the enrollment total field, you can get a summarized view, and here's how that works. PS Query collapses all the rows with the same value in the non-aggregated column, course represented by subject and catalog, into a single row. The value in the enrollment total column is the sum of the amounts from the individual rows for BME 789. If you were curious to see how that looks like in a query, you can reference the one I created in our production instance. It's right there on the bottom for you. Go ahead and open that up. Have fun with it. In the next section, we will dive into the actual PeopleSoft environment to see how we can create these aggregate functions.